by Share Our World.
Folding a commercial pattern by Share Our World. Now, folding a commercial pattern is not back to its original folds. It's not super hard, but it does take some thinking about. So when you look at your pattern, you can see that it has what we call mountain folds, which go like this, and it has valley folds, which go like this. And as I look at my commercial pattern, you will see that as I go along, you'll see like here that it has a mountain fold, and then I get to a cross fold, and then the fold turns into a valley fold. I know I can't fold that line first, so I have to find my first line to fold, which will either be a mountain fold or valley fold that goes all the way across. And so it's not this one, and it's not this one. So I'm going to come over here and keep going and look here, and it looks like it's not this one. It's not that one. It looks like my first fold is going to be this direction on this pattern. And so as you scan across, you'll see here is a fold that is a valley fold all the way across. So I can just fold it there, and it will fold nicely there, as you can see, because obviously it's folded there before. And then I can fold this one because it looks like, again, it looks like a valley fold, and it folds all the way across. And as you can see, it folded neatly. And then as I come across, I'm looking at them, and here is just a full mountain fold all the way across right there. And that mountain fold will fold into the valley fold, right like that. And as I fold, as I keep folding my pattern along those mountain and valley folds, you will see that it's starting to fold into a neat, more easily dealt with bundle. There's a mountain fold right there. Then we look at this fold, and you can see this fold is a valley fold. And all of a sudden, my pattern, even though it was a large piece and it seemed unruly, all of a sudden is nicely folded back to the point where I can now fold it. And here's a mountain fold, here's a mountain fold, here's a mountain fold, and then here's a valley fold, and here's a valley fold. So I'm going to turn it over so my mountain folds are valley folds. Then I'm going to fold this at the mountain fold, just like the valley fold, just like that. Then I'm going to fold this at the valley fold just like that. Then I'm going to fold it in half. And the very last fold I'm going to do is this fold, because now that is a perfect fold. And I have now folded that completely unruly piece of pattern into its original fold so it can go back in its envelope. Thanks for watching. Share Our World.